so many different shapes, colours, interactions, and different places of the
And to shift and to change, sometimes gradually over time and sometimes with
We are highlighting some of the incredible things that happen in nature, some of those plants and fungi that sort of challenge traditional expectations, and really looking at the diversity and amplifying queer voices through that. Do you know what the overwhelming response actually has been? People have been really moved by it. I think a lot of people haven't really known until they walked through the doors what they were really going to see.